How to talk about your daily routine in easy English. What do you do every day? Hello Raj. Hi Sam. How are you? I'm well, thanks. How are you? I'm glad too. What do you do every day? I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go for jogging, I get the bus to work, I read a book on bus, I eat lunch. After I finish work, I swim in sea. I eat dinner. I have a shower. Then I go to sleep. How about you? What do you do every day? Sam, I wake up. I have a shower. I eat breakfast. I drive to work. I listen to podcast. After work, I go to the park. I go home and cook dinner. After dinner, I play video games. Lastly, I go to sleep. Tommy, what do you do every day? I wake up, I eat breakfast, I have a shower, I walk to work, I listen to music, I eat lunch, I go home and watch a movie, I eat dinner, then I read a book and go to sleep. Then, are you there? Yep. What do you do every day? I wake up, I have a shower, I eat breakfast, I get train to work, I read the news on train, I eat lunch. After I finish work, I do some exercises, I eat dinner, and then I go to sleep. What about you? What do you do every day? Now your turn.